in order to win in business, we must understand the different types of asset classes that exist. There are 5 different asset classes that we can invest in. Majority of people only invest for capital gains income in one of the asset classes only, which is the paper assets, or known as the stock market, right? People that just invest in the stocks usually are gamblers, traders, because they're investing money for the sake of capital gains, and it's not secure that that will happen in their portfolio. It might never even happen. So investing without a winning business plan is not sound investing. We must have a winning business plan with with a lucrative exit strategy, and we need to understand everything about the business and investment. And we also must understand how much cash flow are we getting after we invest. How fast are we going to get the cash flow? We need to understand everything based on facts, not opinions. That means that we have done our due diligence if we are acquiring an existing business or building one from scratch. There are 5 different asset classes that exist that we can invest in. By the way, this is one of our properties that we're working on right here. It's right on the beach. We're building a really cool concept right here on this floor, which will bring developers, investors, influencers, artists, fashion week. We're going to have art and wine. We're going to have many different things. However, what I want to point out in this video is that real estate is one of the asset classes that exist that we can invest in. The other one is business. The third one is crypto. Fourth, paper assets. And number 5, commodities like gold, metal, and precious metals. And anything that has to do with metals, it goes into that category of commodities. We want to invest in all the asset classes for passive income, specifically acquiring assets that produce that type of income. Passive income, also known as positive cash flow. It is critical that we know exactly how much we are going to be receiving after we invest. If we don't know that answer, that means the investment is probably not a good investment, and we need to find a different team and a different investment. Understanding how to read financial statements is the foundation of true wealth. It requires us to use our financial intelligence, financial experience, and excess of cash flow that we're receiving in order to create more wealth. We need to not only make cash flow, but we need to learn how to keep that cash flow growing and multiplying successfully. And we can only do that when we have financial intelligence. Invest in financial